Hi subscribers, today we are going to be unboxing free stuff and also Happy New Year because it's January the 1st, 2026 and Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year!
And as you can see we have our elves on the Christmas tree and yeah, and don't forget to subscribe that button if you haven't and like the like as well for the videos. And also hit the notification button. So today we are going to be unboxing all free stuff actually from Popmart as we always do, because first we got a Labubu right there and has a sticker, and then we have the D-Moon. Woo! And also from Popmart, which is a new character, I'm pretty sure. And then this small thingy, I don't know, we just got it. And that's also from Popmart. So, I'm going to be closing my eyes and I'm going to choose one of these to unbox first. Okay, I'm going to spin around. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna unbox the D-Moon. Okay, let's see. But before we actually open it, I really want this purple one, which is, I believe it's called Dream with a Butterfly, or I might want one of the two secrets. Okay. I believe it's going to be in a package. Something, I don't know, because we never opened this. This is kind of like a Labubu, but like a mini version. And yeah. Ooh, we got this thingy. We got this Popmart thingy. And I think there's a card in there, so I'm going to close my eye. This is the D-Moon we got, I think. Oh. It's cool. Let me see. What is that one? That one is the Dream of Painting. Okay, and then we got this pack, I think. Okay, now we're going to open it. It's the Dream of Painting, so it likes painting and stuff, and it looks like it's sleeping. Well, let's put the hat on that. I never know that we were gonna get that one because I really wanted the purple one, which is the one on the cover. But we're still gonna get more D-Moons to also get those. How do I put this on? Can you help me?
How many different colors there are?
There's actually 3. So there's...
Let me see. Wow.
So there's 12 D-Moons, normal ones, and then 2 secrets.
This is quite decent quality. Very heavy and looks very...
Can you put the hat on?
Looks genuine.
And this is the card.
Don't know how it works. It should be like that.
I'm just gonna
Need to go back to behind scenes.
Okay, and we're gonna put that a bit away so then we can unbox the second. Ah, there we go. We got the hat on. Ta-da! Okay. Now, I'm going to be closing my eyes again and choosing either the Labubu or this mystery thing, which we actually don't know, which is very small.
I think let's go for the mystery thing first.
Maybe.
Leave Labubu for the last one.
Actually, yeah.
Which is the actual surprise.
Okay, I don't know what this is. Close my eyes. We got a Labubu.
Is it? What is that?
This is like a labubu. Like these are like mystery things, and this is like a labubu
Let me see.
on top.
It's like a slice of a pizza. Yeah?
That's interesting. We didn't know it was
That's
gonna look like
interesting.
that.
Okay. What is that for?
I don't know. Maybe for a
Okay.
decoration,
Alright.
or it's like a series.
Yeah.
Next, we are going to be opening
The last
the
but not
last
the least.
but not least official labubu.
Wow.
Which is the normal version that, like, kind of a real one that we normally open. And I think this is going to be our 5th labubu. I think.
I hope it's not one of the other ones that we had. before.
Yeah. So, as you can see, we have the soy milk, the lychee berry, the green grape, the sea salt coconut, the toffee, the sesame bean, and the secret. But as you see, if you didn't see our other videos of these stuff, then don't forget to check those out, because we first got the sea salt coconut, then we got the green grape, and then we got the lychee berry. So we have 4 more to collect. And then, so I think maybe we should either get the secret or the soy milk. But if it's the green grape, then we'll give the other green grape that we had to one of you subscribers, and we'll keep the other green grape. So that would be fair. Whew. I'm gonna keep this box. Why does it look like this
Oh,
now?
Wow. So you don't need scissors, you just open it.
Oh, we didn't know that. This one's in a bag.
Now it's time for drum roll.
Wait. I can see. Okay, I need to.
Close your eyes.
3, 2.
Whoa.
What? We got a blue one. The sea salt coconut.
You can give it away to one of your best subscribers. Yeah?
So we got a double today,
Oh.
unfortunately.
So which colors are we missing now?
So we are just only missing
Now
the
you are-
soy milk, the 2 brown ones, and the secret.
Oh, so the next mission is to buy some more. Hopefully we can get those colors.
Yes, and we will give one of these blue labubus to one of you subscribers.
Yeah. Do you want to put it as a competition or something?
So whoever says that, like, whoever says in the comments that they really want the blue labubu,
Oh, yes.
then we will choose someone in the comments that said that, and then after we get your contacts and your address, and then you'll end up getting the blue labubu if you wanted to.
What about if they are living very far away, like Antarctica or somewhere?
If you guys live like in a different country than us, then we'll
You can come
probably
and collect it from us.
we can maybe post it.
And we will give you a free coffee when you come here.
No, we might post it, and then you'll end up getting it at your house.
What about asking a question as a competition to see whoever gives you the most complete answer will be the winner? Like who was the original designer of Labubu, or what year was the original?
We can just, so you have to, so all of y'all have to say in the comments, I want one please, like, can I please have a Labubu, I want to win, and those stuff. And then we'll pick one of you in the comments, and maybe it might be you.
The funniest comment, yeah?
No.
The best one.
Or maybe,
Or the first, serve first.
or maybe the silliest emoji you can
The
put.
silliest emoji. Okay. That's
So,
the one.
put the silliest emoji, and we'll pick one of you. And then if you wanted this Labubu, and yeah.
Okay, that's a good one.
So today we got this Labubu thingy, this duplicate Labubu, and this very cute Dimu. And don't forget to check out some more videos. We sometimes upload nearly every day. Not really, kind of.
Every few weeks, actually.
Every few weeks, every few months. Still, don't unsubscribe. Subscribe.
And today is the first day of January 2026. Yeah.
Yay!
We'll see you next time.
See you next time when we open some more series of Labubus, this thingy, and this Dimu. But it's likely we're not gonna get more series of these.
Okay.
But this will be a decoration, and every time we get more Labubus or Dimus, then we'll just show them of all the ones that we got, and that they get to stay tuned.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye bye.